Look at your sleep. Look at when you are awake. That is like your life and death. When you are asleep, are you dead? But are you alive? That is how when death comes to, you will be dead, but you will still be alive. But that life will not be like this one. Just like when you are sleeping, you are alive, but that life is not like when you are conscious, when you are awake. As you wake up after your sleep, that is how you are going to be given life after your death. We also see from land that is barren, when rain falls, plants begin to grow. That is how you are going to be resurrected one day. Allah has established life after death also by showing us, telling us to appreciate His power. If He has power to create the heavens and the earth, you can see the marvelous things Allah has created. The wonderful things He has created in this world. Even look at yourself. If He has power to bring you into life when you were nothing, how can you deny His power to bring you back after death? You can't deny it. Wallahi, whenever you are dying, whenever you are leaving this world, when the reality dawns on you, you will think that you have spent only one day in this world or part of a day. You will think it's just one day or part of a day. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Quran chapter 2, verse 259 and 260. 269, we see a story of a man who had questioned, he asked himself, he was asking himself, he was passing by a township that had been destroyed. He saw people on ground being devoured by wild birds and wild animals. He was wondering, how would Allah raise all these people from dead? Some parts of their body has been eaten up by birds. Some parts of their bodies have been eaten up by wild animals. How will Allah raise these people up again? Allah caused him to die where he was. Allah says, how كَالَّذِي مَرَّ عَلَى قَرْيَةٍ وَهِيَ خَاوِيَةٌ عَلَى عُرُوشِهَا قَالَ أَنَّ يُحْيِي هَذِهِ اللَّهُ بَعْدَ مَوْتِهَا فَأَمَاتَهُ اللَّهُ مِائَةَ عَامٍ. Allah caused him to die. He died for 100 years. ثُمَّ بَعْثَهُ. Then He raised him. After 100 years. قَالَ كَمْ لَبِثْتَ. Allah says, how long have you stayed where you are? He said, لَبِثْتُ يَوْمًا أَوْ بَعْضَ يَوْمٍ. Just a day or part of a day. Subhanallah. He spent 100 years after death. And when Allah raised him up, he thought he had spent only one day or part of a day. Wallahi, whenever you are dying, whenever you are leaving this world, when the reality dawns on you, you will think that you have spent only one day in this world or part of a day. You will think it's just one day or part of a day. This person Allah is talking about in Surah Al-Baqarah verse 159. Allah now caused him to rise. When he rose, Allah said, look at your camel. Look at your donkey. Look at your donkey. The donkey had rotten completely. Allah now said, look at how I'm going to raise the donkey again. The bones, he was looking like this, as if he were in a laboratory watching how things are happening. Looking at the experiment. He was looking at his camel, how Allah was bringing each of the bones together until it became complete skeleton of the donkey. Allah says, فَانْظُرِ إِلَى الْعِظَامِ كَيْفَ نُنْشِزُهَا ثُمَّ نَكْسُوهَا لَحْمًا. After that, Allah now placed flesh. He put the flesh on the donkey. And the donkey became lively again, shaking his tails. Allah said, now look at the food you carried with you 100 years back when you passed here. The food was there. The food never changed. وَانْظُرِ إِلَىٰ طَعَامِكَ وَشَرَابِكَ لَمْ يَتَسَنَّى. Your food, your drink you brought with you when you were traveling, passing here, both of them never changed. But you, look at how you had become. If you want to know, look at how your donkey had become. You too, I preserve your body there, but look at your donkey. Just to let you know that you have spent 100 years here. He said, I know that Allah has power over everything. He has power to do whatever He wants to do. There is life after death.